Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the environment. Install JDK 11 or newer, Maven or Gradle, Azure CLI, and Git, because these tools run the build and deploy commands. Next, create an Azure account and a resource group. This organizes billing and permissions. Then choose an app service plan that matches your performance needs. Once done, build a runnable JAR with MVN Clean Package or Gradle Bootjar. This produces the single artifact Azure will run. Make sure your app listens on port 8080 or use server port configuration. Now you create the app service and configure runtime details. Run as web app create, specify a Linux plan and runtime like Java 11, and assign the resource group an app name. Then configure startup behavior. Set SCM do build during deployment equals false if you deploy a pre-built jar, or pass a startup command like Java jar app. Jar. Also set Java ops for memory tuning. Make sure to add environment variables. For example, Spring profiles active and database connection strings, so your Spring Boot app can boot with. Finally, deploy the artifact. Use as web app deploy resource group rgname app src path target /app, jar, or push via Git or FTP if preferred. Once deployed, verify by curling the /actuator/health or your app endpoint. Tail logs with as web app logtail, or inspect application insights for exceptions and performance traces. If the app fails to start, check the startup command. Confirm the app binds to the expected port and review stack traces in the logs. This usually reveals missing env-vars, memory limits, or failed DB connections.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.